Ranbir Kapoor.
अरे finally.
Match कर गया.
Yeah.
Oh please.
I know it.
Whatever he's lying.
It's no.
No. You can.
बात कर, पूछे.
अरे ऊपर रजिस्टर पे गेट पे एंट्री चेक कर लो.
Niti Taylor.
Cute.
Oh, you're such a cutie.
प्यार होता पहली बार है.
So my all friends are from Delhi. So I am from Delhi.
तो मैं बन गया वो अमन from कल होना. बोला वहाँ हनीमून के लिए मतलब क्या शादी करना जरूरी है? And then she's like चप्पल उतार के मारो तो.
I'm sure.
Busy with her. Don't give me that kind of.
और मैं बोलता हूँ इतना हल्का और इलास्टिक है लगेगा इन्हें कुछ पहना है. So yeah.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान. मैं हूँ पूजा नवाते और मेरे साथ इस वक्त है खुशाली कुमार एंड पार्थ समतान. खुशाली एंड पार्थ समतान. You both look so happy.
Absolutely. We
Excited?
Yes, very.
We have a genuine reason to be happy and we are excited. घुड़चड़ी आ रही है 9 अगस्त को.
बिल्कुल.
End of interview. खत्म.
नहीं, अभी तो बहुत सारी बातें करनी है बट आई लव द ट्रेलर. जैसे कि मैं कह रही थी इंटरव्यू से पहले देयर वाज अ कांस्टेंट स्माइल ऑन माय फेस. पहले जिस तरीके से आप मार्केटिंग हेड का जो किरदार निभा रहे हो, नेवर सीन बिफोर यू इन दैट अवतार. इंटेंस किरदार देख लिया, अभी कुछ अलग था. तो वो मजा आया. एंड देन यू होल्डिंग एन अंडरवेयर.
तो आपने पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा, I'm sure. मैं चड्डियाँ बेच रहा हूँ.
Absolutely not.
yeah.
So tell me about your particular character. मार्केटिंग हेड बनने के लिए जो स्ट्रेटजीज चाहिए थे वो पहले से पता थे आपको या इस फिल्म के लिए थोड़ी स्टडी की?
हर एक चीज़ ये फिल्म में बहुत यूनिक है. और जो देविका है वो चंडीगढ़ से है एक्चुअली इन द फिल्म. और अभी वो मतलब वो दिल्ली शिफ्ट होती है. एंड देन शी फॉल्स इन लव विद दिस टिपिकल दिल्ली बॉय जो चड़ियाँ बेच रहा है. और किस टाइप की हिलेरियस सिचुएशन है उसके अराउंड, वो आप लोग सबको 9 अगस्त को देखने को मिलेगी.
बिल्कुल. अगर मैं आपको 30 सेकेंड दूँ और इस फिल्म की मार्केटिंग आपको करनी है तो कैसे करेंगे आप?
तो ये फिल्म बहुत ही मज़ेदार है. सबसे पहले इसमें इसकी जो यूएसपी है, वी हैव संजय सर एंड रवीना मैम्स केमिस्ट्री. व्हेन यू सी देम ऑन स्क्रीन दे बर्न द स्क्रीन. यू विल बी ग्लूड टू इट एज यू पीपल आर ग्लूड टू द trailer. You keep seeing it again and again. So yes, and then you have Parth. He comes with some huge fan following. Already all his fans are going crazy with his look and seeing him again, as you said, sell those cool underwear. So it's a full on entertainment, guys. You're going to love it. You will go crazy laughing. That's my guarantee. So 9th August, go watch it. And then
Guarantee दे रही है?
guarantee.
Well, I think हाउसफुल हो चुका है.
हाँ, हो गया है. This is a good one. And yes, और यार मैं भी हूँ. मैंने अपने बारे में नहीं बोला और मैं भी हूँ, तो please.
Modesty.
But congratulations.
Thank you.
Finally, the wait is over.
Yes, absolutely. I'm very excited, nervous, anxious, and yeah, I mean, been waiting since so long, since so many years, and by far I never thought that I would get such an opportunity to be in a film where I would share the screen with Baba and Raveena ma'am and Aruna ji for that matter. Aruna ji has been a veteran actor obviously since 4 decades she's worked, and it is not even 4 decades I would say, because when I spoke to her she said I started at the age of 9 and she's right now into 70s. So it was 6 decades.
Wow.
मतलब यार हमारे तो twice the age, मतलब इतना experience है उनके पास. So it was wonderful to work with her and she was very energetic also.
Yeah. True.
So yes, apart from that, beautiful writing. It's very full of gags, and of course, Miss Khushali, aka Devika, the marketing head, who is gonna buy the chaddis. मेरी चड्डी नहीं, company की चड्डी, brand की चड्डी.
How cool was it
Very
to
cool.
sell underwear?
Absolutely, super cool. दिल्ली के मौसम ही ऐसा है एकदम ठंडा ठंडा. तो मतलब उसमें एक लाइन है जैसे इतना वो बोलता है जैसे कि मैं अभी रुका हूँ जहाँ पर मुझे पता नहीं कि देविका आ रही है, एंड आई एम लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग टू दिस कंपनी जहाँ पर इनकी कंपनी वाले हैं और मैं उनको बेच रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी. और मैं बोलता हूँ इतना हल्का और इलास्टिक है लगेगा इन्हें कुछ पहना है. So yeah,
so much fun.
Absolutely.
These two people are making me so much laugh. I can't wait to see what's in the store when I go to see the film. खुशहाली, टेल मी, मतलब इंटरव्यू से पहले इतना सारा जो ह्यूमर आप लेकर आई हो सेट पर, क्या कैसा माहौल था? ऑफलाइन कितना कुछ ह्यूमरस चल रही थी चीजें,
आई थिंक
कितना
हर एक
funny
चीज़ में वहाँ पे कॉमेडी चल रही थी. फर्स्टली आर producer as well as our director, both of them are hilarious. And on this set we had anniversary also. उनकी anniversary आई, पार्थ का birthday भी आया था. And there was a whole party thing also happening. But our entire situation also, you know, everything around it was very light-hearted. हमारा atmosphere set पे हमेशा हिलेरियस ही रहता था. कभी कुछ हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. बिनोय, our director, used to be on this funny cycle roaming around. So the entire vibe and the whole energy of the set was like very nice, relaxing and fun. We had amazing Delhi food also.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, they had great food on set. Great food. When we were in Jaipur, they had all the special things which are there. That was there on
Hospitality
set.
was wonderful.
Yeah, it was wonderful.
और खाने की बात हो रही है and Parth gets excited.
We had that Sitaram ke chole bhature
Chole
also on
bhature,
our set.
oh.
Or that too on the first day, and I was
Wow.
like, yeah, that was amazing.
कैन यू इमेजिन, लंच टाइम था और मैंने लंच कर लिया था. मुझे किसी ने इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया था कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी कहीं से खाना मंगाया था. मेरा खाना खा के हो गया.
Okay.
मैं बाहर आता हूँ तो एक लाइव स्टेशन लगता है, सीताराम के छोले भटूरे बन रहे हैं. और मैंने कभी नहीं सुना. मुझे किसी ने बोला भाई तू एक भटूरा खा के दे, एक बाइट खा के दे. आई एंडेड अप हैविंग 3 भटूरस
They're so
आफ्टर हैविंग माय लंच.
Yeah.
सो यू कैन इमेजिन, मतलब इट वाज क्रेजी.
You're not scared about your diet?
आई वाज
and
स्कैर्ड
all?
कि मैं शूट कर पाऊंगा या नहीं. वो नहीं हो पाया, मुश्किल से हो पाया वहाँ पर शूट. But yeah, apart from that I cover it up. That I need to. We are it's
Right.
pretty
But-
much used to it.
But Parth को खाना खिलाना बहुत जरूरी है,
बहुत
right?
जरूरी है.
Yes, that it
वरना
is.
क्या होता है खुशहाली?
That I was just
Hungry
sharing with you. You can't keep him hungry, otherwise he'll eat everyone on set. मेरे साथ ये हो चुका है when I shot with him. So set पे खाना उस समय लेट आया था, and तो वो तो सीन भी ऐसा था where he had to be angry. So it worked in favor.
Yeah.
I think the director had done it deliberately.
I remember, yeah.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
think वो
It was like-
emotions naturally आए थे
जो
उधर.
भी इसने इमोशन दिया सही आया एकदम.
एकदम perfect आया.
मोमेंट में आ गया वो. वही हमको चाहिए था. इसका गुस्सा चाहिए था.
मतलब आपको अगर खाना ना मिले तो बहुत गुस्सा आता है.
Yeah, totally.
आई बिकम वेरी क्रैंकी.
और कोई वजह है लाइफ में
फिर
गुस्सा?
मैं कुछ एक छोटी छोटी चीजें देखता हूँ सेट पे मुझे, जिससे और गुस्सा है और गुस्सा है और गुस्सा है.
Oh my God. वैसे ह्यूमर की बात तो हो रही है, जैसे इसने कहा खाने की वजह से गुस्सा आता है. खुशहाली, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है?
I really respect time a lot. If people don't reach on time, मेरे को काफ़ी गुस्सा चढ़ता है.
आज यू वर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट ऑन टाइम.
I reached before you. I was sitting and waiting over
I
here.
was here only. And 12
was.
बजे बोला था, 12:25 we started. Please.
Oh please!
I know it.
Whatever, he's lying.
It's no.
No.
I
You
saw
can.
you.
पूछे
अरे
पूछे.
ऊपर रजिस्टर पे गेट पे एंट्री चेक कर लो.
I saw you first.
Yeah, see
First
proof. देखो.
मैडम कितने बजे
I
टाइम
was
बताओ.
sitting. You
I
said
came all ready. You came here and you did your
She
hair
came
and
here,
makeup.
na.
He's lying.
I was here.
Sorry, I saw you outside the gate.
Exactly.
But he came without his hair makeup. I
okay.
came all ready.
सेट पे कौन
गलत
लेट
बात
आता था या आती थी?
I am always on time. You can ask anyone. I'm always on time.
सेट पे द थिंग इज कि हमारे साथ एक बड़ी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी थी कि सेट पे बाबा भी थे.
Yeah, so we
Set पे
all
रवीना
had to
मैम भी थे, so we all had to be like,
no, everyone was very
हाँ.
punctual on
Yeah.
set.
And when you're working with such legendary
You can't-
actors,
yes.
you have different vibe.
Yeah.
There's discipline as well. I really want to know from you two, कैसा माहौल था उन दोनों के साथ जब आप शूटिंग कर रहे थे? उनसे क्या कुछ सीख मिली आपको?
सीख तो मतलब एक तो फर्स्ट आई वाज वेरी, आई वुड से zapped and amazed and like you would say starstruck
Yeah.
after seeing him. His persona, his aura, once he comes in front of you. And एक बार तो मुझे याद है जहाँ पर we were shooting for a song scene and he was wearing a pathani.
Okay.
And now we've been watching him in our मतलब जब हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, हमने बचपन में इतना देखा है उनको पठानी में, and he looks fab in it, and to look live in front of you, so I could not help myself, but between the shot I just went up to him and I'm like, sir, you're looking awesome, you're looking amazing.
Wow.
मतलब नज़र उतारनी चाहिए ऐसे वाले, because you're wearing a black pathani and his height and everything, the way he walks, so for me it was like a wow, ऐसे वाला moment.
I'm sure.
But yeah, apart from that, I pretty much had a very comforting time shooting with him, and very easy actor, not worried about के performance में, you know, a lot of actors these days are very insecure unfortunately, कि मतलब कौन किसका ज़्यादा footage है, where you have to share the equal amount of screen space, किसका ज़्यादा हो रहा है, किसको ज़्यादा footage मिल रहा है. तो ये बाबा के साथ मैंने एक दफ़ा भी देखने को नहीं मिला. I was very fantastic, and he was like ठीक है कर लो, then I will play my part, and whenever he used to say it, it was such with ease कि मुझे लगता था यार ये तो इनकी कॉमिक टाइमिंग इतनी बढ़िया है. तो it was a treat to watch for me. Like I am blessed, and I was lucky enough to watch him live that way.
For you?
So for me, I did not have many scenes with Sanjay sir, and I wish I did. I just have one scene, and the rest was one song we shot with him. And otherwise, it was a great vibe, you know, sitting after the shots together. He would be cracking up jokes. So it was amazing having him around, you know, seeing him over there, the entire aura that he carries, the way people were also around him. It was a completely different experience. And with Raveena ma'am, of course, you know, as he said, it's a fan moment. And you know, when you can't, जब आप मिलते हो ना, तो आप क्या करो, आप एकदम इतना देख भी नहीं सकते हो. You're a little awkward. So I had that awkwardness, which I even told Raveena ma'am, you know. So later, but मेरे ना एक scene था where I actually saw ma'am properly, and I even told her later. So there's a scene where she's closed her eyes and she's lying down, and I'm standing and giving my lines. And I told her, ma'am, that you're really very pretty and gorgeous, because that's the time I actually, you know, I could look at her and I said, you know, even camera does not do justice to you the way you look. But yeah, damn elegant, very hot, sexy. It was difficult to call her mom, but she's wonderful, a very warm person. And I have some great scenes with her, very nice emotional scenes with her, and we bonded very well over it.
वाओ, इस फिल्म में दो जनरेशन की स्टोरी बताई जा रही है. ओल्ड स्कूल हो आप या जेन ज़ी टाइप?
Old school.
Old school, totally.
Not totally, I would say mix.
Mix.
नहीं, मेरे साथ old school. I somehow don't understand the social media language also. For example, अभी अगर couple date कर रहे हैं, it doesn't mean that they have to be the same way they are on social media also.
Yeah, that
Okay, but I see a lot of people fighting over that also. तूने इसकी picture like क्यों की? तूने मेरी story क्यों नहीं डाली? तूने ये, for me that social media thing can't be relevant in your relationship is what I feel.
No, that's right.
Like I feel that social media is different, our personal lives are different, and we need to understand each other, and whatever we portray over there, it's whatever our work, professional, whatever we're trying to show it to the world. That doesn't mean that ऐसे उसके ऊपर हम fights करें या उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसा behave करें is not something that I understand.
बिल्कुल.
It's about, for me, it's about true love. If the love is there, I think then all sort of fights, even whichever generation you pick up, I think we all have our own sweet little things which would happen.
इनकी फैमिली एंटरटेनर है, तो आई एम श्योर अभी जैसे हम इनफैक्ट इंटरव्यू से पहले बात कर रहे थे, पहले की जो फिल्म्स हुआ करती थी, दादी का कैरेक्टर हो prominent हुआ करता था.
बिल्कुल.
Somewhere it's missing down the
Now,
lane, and now you're bringing it back. It's so refreshing.
Correct. It's very nostalgic, in fact,
It is.
because मुझे याद है, I would say a decade ago, we used to watch a lot of Priyadarshini films. और Priyadarshini films में ना दादी used to play a lot of like a prominent character where the entire family used to be scared of the दादी और the main ताऊजी वो जो होते थे. तो that whole drama used to come from there कि मतलब out of respect, out of family values, if things are going wrong in the family, now how do we save ourselves? So similarly over here the story is as such that out of the love and respect that we have for Dadi, for Aruna ji, me and Baba both, and because he loves his mother, I love my Dadi a lot, I love my father a lot. But eventually घुड़चड़ी किसकी चढ़ेगी is the question. मतलब who will sacrifice is the question.
And यहाँ पर बच्चों से ज़्यादा माँ बाप उतावले हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
इस बारे में क्या कहना है?
नहीं बिल्कुल इंसान है, we all are humans. And
आप उतावले होते हो शादी के बाद को
मतलब मुझे
लेकर?
लगता है बाबा कैन भी उतावले.
No comments
The
on
kind
this,
of personality
no
that he has, he is amazing. I look up to him. I want to be like him. If I'm his age, I want to be like him.
पार्थ, आप पर्सनली होते उतावले शादी के बारे में सोचकर?
I'm sure मेरे एज पे कोई उतावला नहीं होता. Especially लड़के तो नहीं उतावले.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you say so?
I don't know. I mean, I don't see guys being very happy अगर उनकी शादी हो रही है तो मतलब वो क्लियरली ऐसा दिखता है बकरा कट रहा है.
But there was a research where I saw कि अगर लड़कों की शादी होती है, शादी के बाद वो ज़्यादा खुश रहते हैं. Unlike women are little sad on the other side.
आ गया?
Yeah. So I think you should get married.
मैंने तो उल्टा देखा है.
नहीं ये रिसर्च में है. आप ज़्यादा खुश हो जाओगे तो शादी के बारे में सोच रहे हो
तो लड़कियां दुखी हो जाती है.
हाँ.
नहीं यार ऐसा तो नहीं है. मैंने तो सुना है कि लड़कियां बहुत खुश होती है क्योंकि वो खुश होती है क्योंकि शादी है तो सज धज के जाना है, साड़ी पहननी है, ज्वेलरी लगानी है, तो सब कुछ पहनना है, सब कुछ इट्स ऑल अबाउट गेटिंग रेडी. The most
I think that's the only thing the girls enjoy.
Yeah.
Is only the getting ready part.
हम तो वही सोचते हैं.
हाँ, वही सोच के शादी हो जाती
I
है.
like the whole honeymoon phase also, where obviously she's wearing all that
चूड़ा, red चूड़ा.
It's absolutely so.
हनीमून
nice.
के लिए तो शादी करनी पड़ेगी ना पार्थ.
I think next film can be
Honeymoon
like
के लिए
that.
शादी करनी
वो
जरूरी है.
honeymoon वाला with the चूड़ा and all.
ये तो जरूरी नहीं है.
ये
बट वो चूड़ा टाइप्स.
ये कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है मेरे और मेरे माँ के बीच में.
या?
हाँ मैं फिर हनीमून फिर ये सब कुछ. हनीमून के लिए मतलब क्या शादी करना जरूरी है? एंड देन शी इज लाइक चप्पल उतार के मारो तुझे.
I'm sure. But guys, friendship day is around the corner, and I love your bonding. You two are good friends.
Yes.
How did this friendship bloom? Tell us about it.
So it actually, we have worked, we have done 2 music videos together and then this film, and he's very on and off in the sense like, because I think we even get busy with our, don't give me that kind of so you know, of course when we shot for Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum, and then I remember, you know, it was in middle of that whole the COVID period, what we had shot, and then I was about to start shooting for my film Dhoka. Okay. And I during the New Year time, he really thought, you know, I'm like one alien person, because I did not go out. I was all alone in Bombay.
Why are you alone?
Huh?
Would you like to?
All alone because my family was in Delhi.
It's okay. Family is okay. Apart from that.
Like, matlab, apart from
about friends.
Friends, I don't have friends in Bombay. So my all friends are from Delhi.
Ooh.
So I am from Delhi.
तो मैं बन गया वो अमन from कल हो ना हो.
Oh.
Filmy.
So yeah, so where, yes.
Yeah.
तो खुशहाली कैसी है as a friend?
अरे she's very friendly and she's very easy. In fact, in profession and also personally that way, she's very easy to go with.
He calls me alien. I'm telling you, he calls me alien.
तो मैं I kind of do not relate myself to her because her lifestyle, her everything is very different. And but it's something that I've been always wanting to adapt in my life.
Okay.
कि मैं एक दिन मैं ऐसे 12 बजे टाइम पे सोऊंगा, सुबह उठूंगा, सुबह सारी चीज़ें करूंगा, मैं योगा भी करूंगा, वेज भी खाऊंगा, वीगन भी बन जाऊंगा.
Wow.
कभी ना कभी ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज लाइफ मेरी रहेगी. तो हाँ.
Yeah, see, he doesn't know me.
तो
But let's see friendship compatibility test लेते हैं. Telepathy round है अब.
हाँ, okay.
तो देखते हैं. You have to hold your hands. मैं 1 2 3 बोलूँगी and favorite color बोलूँगी, तो आपको एक साथ वो बोलना है.
किसका? अपना.
हाँ. टेलीपैथी राउंड है, मतलब मैंने अगर पूछा आपसे फेवरेट कलर 1 2 3, तो आपको एक साथ कलर बोलना है.
लेकिन किसका?
तो दोनों को बोलना है, जो मन में आए.
मुझे
तो सिंक
मेरा अपना
सिंक
तो
होना चाहिए.
वो होएगा कि
हाँ,
So whatever we say, I'm
whatever
sure.
जो मन में आए आपको बोलना है. तो जिसका सिंक होगा मतलब टेलीपैथी.
Fantastic.
ठीक है.
मुझे लगता
So what we have to hold hands.
Yeah.
0 marks मिलेंगे हमको.
Telepathy round starts. So
Professor X is here.
favorite color 1 2 3.
Pink.
Red.
Okay. Favorite fruit 1 2 3.
Strawberry.
Okay. Favorite cricketer 1 2 3.
Virat
Dhoni.
Kohli.
विराट कोहली एंड
धोनी.
ओ वाओ. लाइक धोनी के फैंस भी बहुत सारे हैं,
Allah.
विराट के भी.
Of course.
Always. Okay.
Both are fantastic.
है ना?
Yeah.
Okay. Next is favorite actor. 1, 2, 3.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Hey, finally.
Match कर गया.
Yeah.
Okay.
Super. Congratulations.
Next.
Favorite actress?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? What was
Favorite
the
actress.
actress? Such I thought he's just
1, 2, 3.
Alia.
आपने बोला ही नहीं, वापस से करते हैं.
Okay.
बट नहीं, अभी तो चेंज नहीं कर
Change.
पाएंगे.
Okay,
चलो
okay,
नेक्स्ट. फेवरेट ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन. 1, 2, 3.
Too many.
Too many यार. हाँ.
Too many.
बट टू मैनी सिंक कर गया ना.
हाँ.
We both said too many.
हाँ, yeah.
Okay.
एक दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा. सारे issues आ रहे थे.
Okay, favorite movie. 1, 2, 3.
Rockstar.
Hello now.
हाँ? कल हो ना हो.
Rockstar.
Okay. The next one is favorite song. 1, 2, 3.
पंजाबी मुंडे.
प्यार होता कई बार है. कुछ भी आया दिमाग में जो आया.
बिल्कुल. बट
जो
वाइब
आया.
है, गाने की वाइब है.
हाँ है ना?
कौन सा बोला?
पंजाबी मुंडे.
पंजाबी मुंडे. हाँ, of course.
Okay. Next is number. तो मैं ABC बोलूंगी.
हाँ.
Like number. The lucky number.
अच्छा.
कोई भी नंबर बोलना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay.
ABC.
7.
9 of August. Ghudchadi releases.
Wow,
Wow.
super. Okay, next is favorite festival. 1, 2, 3.
Holi. हाँ?
He said it before. I
हाँ,
was about to say.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
एक
Okay.
साथ बोलना था ना?
अब तो पता चल गया. हाँ, मिस हो गया.
तुम क्या बोल रहे हो?
हाँ.
तुम्हें बोलना था ना
दिवाली I would have said.
हाँ.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh.
Okay.
So मेरा
last-
खाली एक ही comment था.
औरत कहीं की.
Okay, the last one is favorite animal. 1, 2,
animal?
3.
Dog.
चलो, दो सिंग है, ये रणबीर कपूर एंड एनिमल. ये
Animal and Ranbir
Ranbir
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Yeah.
Is the animal. Okay,
Yes,
ठीक है.
yes. Okay, हमारा नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट
I
है.
got the joke now.
ओके, लास्ट सेगमेंट इज व्हाट द कमेंट्स. तो मैं कमेंट पढ़ूंगी और आपको रिएक्ट करना है, ठीक है? बाबा एंड रवीना आफ्टर 29 years later still so cool and amazing together.
Pure heart.
Yeah.
Okay. कैसी है यार, ये completed 10 years.
Oh wow.
How do you feel, Parth? And when will you see? When will we get to see Niti and you together again?
I don't know. Yeah, we are coming with a music video soon. So that we shot a few months back. So it's about to release very soon. We don't know exactly, but yes.
But congratulations, you
Thank you.
completed 10
Oh,
years.
yeah.
And
That is my reaction.
like she said, you got the popularity and all
Yes.
from Kaisi and yaariyan. You also share a nice bonding with Niti. You have a
Absolutely.
different level of friendship with her.
Yeah.
So I was like, he should come with the movie Kaisi hai yaariyan now.
कैसे? हाँ, she was saying you should
Yeah?
come with the
Come with the Kaisi hai yaariyan movie.
Wow.
हमने क्या ही दिखाएंगे आपको? क्या?
Okay. And the last one is, आप दोनों की शादी कब हो रही है?
9th August, please come. You guys are invited.
Perfect. And the hashtag show, मैं फटाफट नाम ले रही हूँ, आपको hashtag देने हैं. दीपिका पादुकोण,
Mom to be
रवीना टंडन,
sexy.
आपको भी बताना है.
अच्छा, मुझे भी बताना.
हाँ,
मुझे लगा
हाँ,
सब
रवीना
common.
टंडन,
female actresses sensual.
संजय दत्त,
Start.
Yeah. So I'll go for the same stud.
नीति टेलर.
Cute.
Cutie.
Ah, we
Oh,
said
you
it
also did
again.
cutie. Have you seen their show?
Yeah.
Loved it?
Yeah. Very
Oh,
nice.
super. रणबीर कपूर,
Rockstar.
दिशा पटानी,
Hot.
Hot.
मिलिंद सोमन,
Sexy.
आलिया भट्ट,
Alia Bhatt.
Supremely talented.
Yeah.
and last one दिव्या खोसला कुमार.
Bhabhi.
Cutie.
Okay, thank you so much guys. It was amazing talking
Thank
to
you.
you
Thank
too.
you.
फिल्म का ज्ञान बहुत सारा मिला मुझे. और जाने से पहले अपने फैंस को प्लीज क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
Guys, our film is coming out on 9th August and you guys will have lots of fun. So please do watch it.
On 9th of August. So yes, it's a complete family entertainer, and we have enjoyed shooting the film. All three generations in the film, in fact. So you will be able to watch the film. You can watch the film with your dadi, nani, bua, chacha, chachi, everyone, padosis also. Bring them together and watch the film. Certainly, we give you that guarantee and assurance that you guys will love and enjoy the film. Just 9th of August. Ghudchadi.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
guys.
Thank you.